I am really impressed with this Kenra Platinum Restorative Reconstructor. I used this on my hair before doing a silk press, and it really hydrates my hair while giving it strength. And this conditioner really just melts into my hair strands so easily and leaves my hair so moisturized and so strong and soft at the same time afterward. I go ahead and put this on and I clip my hair up, put a plastic bag on. Sometimes I use a heating cap, leave it for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out and proceed with my usual hair care routine. And my hair definitely feels a lot better. So if you are looking for a reconstructor that is going to impart moisture at the same time and leave your hair soft, I 100% recommend this one by Kenra.